I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you. Till then, I've been running from it. I'm tired of running from it. I'm scared of feeling something. Now I'm stuck and trying to get up out of this hole. I tried to be strong, I tried to make it work, but I've been feeling too numb. Skies are bleeding on me. Why'd you leave me lonely? I'm feeling Whitney Stoney. Now I'm stuck and wonder where I ever went wrong. How could I be strong? I'm fighting for your love. I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then. I don't feel like in your love anymore. There ain't no reason in pulling a four. I don't like feelings of feeling like running for something and feeling so out of control. I know that the feelings are gone. I'm spending too much time alone. I'm hoping you pick up the phone and ring me when you wanna stay overnight.
Ito masitsi, ang sakit, pinananakit eh. Ay. Kaya tulak na ako, malis na daw ako. Okay na guys, nakapag-massage na tayo. Kahit pa paano.